Hi, this is Narayan Vasudevan and you are watching Trips and Tips. A beautiful homepage of YouTube channel is the dream of every YouTuber. We can achieve this by doing the customization of our channel. Okay, so let us go and see how to custom a YouTube channel or how to custom my YouTube channel. In this video, we are covering 3 sessions. First one is basic info session where we can edit our channel name or channel description or about us, or we can edit even the language. And the second one is the branding session where we can do the changing of our profile picture. We can change our channel art or channel banner, YouTube banner. Then third one is the watermark. While the third point we are covering in this tutorial is channel layout is the most important one. How many of you know that we can place the videos according to the type of customer that visiting our channel homepage? If there is a visitor who is not subscribed to us and viewing our channel homepage, we can place the introduction video on the top, while we can replace it with a featured video for our already subscribed viewer. Same way, we can change the layout, we can decide the position of the videos. So normally by default the most recently uploaded videos are coming on the top. So we can change that. Instead of recently uploaded videos, we can place our most popular videos on the top so that the viewers visiting our channel homepage can see our most popular videos having more viewers. Like that, we can create so many playlists and we can decide the position of the playlist which has to be displayed on our channel homepage. So let us go and see the part 2 of YouTube tutorial series, how to customize a YouTube channel or custom my YouTube channel. So in this part 2 we are covering 3 major points. As I told you, it is basic info session, second one is the branding session, and third one is the channel layout. We recently uploaded a video, part 1 of this YouTube tutorial, how to create a YouTube channel. Those who have not seen our part 1 video, we have given the link in the description. So you can go and watch that video. This video is a continuation of part 1 video. So let us go and see how to custom my YouTube channel. This is our newly created YouTube channel homepage. Just clicking on the customize channel on the top side. So we will get channel customization page. Here you can see 3 tabs: layout, branding and basic info. The same page we can take in another way. Whenever we are clicking on the top right hand side logo, we will get some options. From there we will take YouTube Studio. So this is the YouTube Studio page where we can see one customization tab on left hand side margin. So we are clicking on the customization tab. We will get the same page which we have seen earlier. So 3 topics in this page is available: layout, branding and basic info. Right now we are doing the basic info editing. In basic info, the first portion is the channel name. Here it is written as Ulur Pushpagam. So we are not editing the name. So we are leaving that portion. We are keeping the same name. So second column we can write the channel description. It's about us. For what purpose this channel is made for. So describe it. So we are describing it as a family channel. So in bottom we can see another editing option. It is add language. On which language your videos are uploading. Here I am written clearly that it is in Malayalam and no translation. So cancelling, nothing to do here. So in bottom we will get the channel URL. So the channel URL we can copy it and we can send to someone else for subscribe it or like that. So below that we can see another option, add link. So we can add so many links to our channel, YouTube channel. So I am copying my Facebook page link here, copying it on the URL link column and writing as its Facebook page. So we can do this linking as much as possible, but only 5 links will be displaying on our channel art bottom side, right hand side bottom. So I am just leaving with 1 linking, and below that we can add 1 email, official email, to which our communication is coming. So I am keeping the same email ID odorushpagam@gmail.com. So completing this process and publishing, instead of saving, it is publishing button here. Hope you understood how to edit the basic info of my YouTube channel, like channel name, channel description or about us, or language. Now we move to branding session. So coming to the second part, it is branding. So in branding we have three options: profile picture, channel art or banner, and watermark for the video. So first we are taking the profile picture. We already done the creation of the profile picture, so we have options to change and remove. So we are not at all doing anything here. The second one is the channel art. So we are changing the channel art. We can call it as banner also, YouTube banner also. So this is the special type of picture banner created. It is suitable for all these things, mobile phone or desktop. So and we can see it is for TV also, television also. So I will make another video for how to create a perfect banner for or channel art for YouTube. So we have saved that. So it is there, channel art created. So the third one is the watermark. So there are three options for watermark. It is end of video, start from beginning, or entire video. So we have already uploaded that. We are not doing anything. Here also change and remove option is there. So we have done three things. So publishing it. So we can see how it is on the front end view channel. Yes, you can see the perfect placing of the YouTube channel art or YouTube banner. It is in the desktop version. On the right hand bottom side, we can see one link that we created earlier. That is the Facebook page link. We can just check it by clicking on that link. Yes, it is there. Hope you understood about the branding session, like channel art changing, profile picture changing, providing a watermark. Now we will move to third and important portion, layout. How to change the layout of my YouTube channel, or how to give a beautiful layout to my YouTube channel. Now we have to customize our layout, change the layout. For that, click on the tab, customize channel. On another way also we can take that, on logo, then YouTube Studio, then customize tab on the left hand margin. By clicking on that customization tab, we will get the channel customization page. By default it will be on layout. So the first option is channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed you. There is a tutorial video from YouTube. You can watch that and understand how it is. And anyhow, we are going back and we are clicking on add video. So we can select any video which we have uploaded already. So I already made a introduction video. So I am creating that as my channel trailer. I selected that and it's already became channel trailer. So the second one is featured video. Featured video for the returning visitors, those who have already subscribed my channel. So I am selecting one of my best video to show it on the top of my channel homepage. It is Chambarati juice. So I am selecting that. Okay, that also came here. So we completed the process of selecting or uploading our channel trailer as well as our featured video. So let us finish the process, save it, finish it, then view channel. Right, we can see that. Yes, you can see the introduction video just below to the channel art or channel banner. So below that we can see the latest uploads from me. It is just as a single line, not customized yet. So we can just do some customization on the video showing. Again, taking the channel customization. Yes, you can see below the featured video option, add section, add sections. So it is latest uploads are showing right now. I am removing that latest uploads because I have to show my most popular videos on the top row. So I am just clicking on add section, then popular uploads. The YouTube itself select the popular uploads and keep it on the top. So publishing it, let us see view channel. Yes, my popular uploads are there just below to my introduction video or featured video. We are going back, channel customization page, again adding section, add section. Right now, my second option is latest uploads. I'm selecting the uploads. Okay, right now it is showing latest videos which I have uploaded. So let us add one more layer of single playlist. Right now I am taking it as playlist. So I am selecting one playlist which I have to keep on third row, just below to my latest uploads. I am selecting the cooking videos playlist. Then third, we can select as much as we need. Okay, I'm continuing the process, selecting of playlist. I have created lot of playlist, and one video will be coming on 2 or 3 playlist. Okay, so almost I selected almost all the playlist, and finally I am selecting my short video. Okay, finally I am selecting my short video. It's on the top side. Okay, right. So it is there in the bottom. So I am completing the process. Just check, we have uploaded only 12 sessions. Okay, I completed that. So finishing the process, view channel. Let us check how it is, how the customized channel. You can see the beautiful banner just below introduction video, below to that my most popular uploads, latest videos, then my interesting playlist. Most popular playlists are listed on rows, 12 rows, back to back, finishing with my short videos. Hope you understood about how to custom my YouTube channel, or how to customize a YouTube channel, or frankly speaking, how can I change my YouTube channel into a better look, beautiful look, right? We covered 3 things: how to edit basic info, how to change profile picture, channel art, and how to provide watermark, and the third one, beautiful layout providing. Featured video, introduction video, most recently uploaded video, most popular video, different playlist, placing of the playlist. So we covered all these things. Hope you got a good idea. So please write your comments and share the video to reach others. We will come back soon with the part 3 of this YouTube tutorial series. How to upload a video in our YouTube channel for getting maximum viewers in search result. If somebody is doing the search for a particular thing and your video is covering all these details, your video should come on the top of search result. How we can achieve that? So till then, take care. Bye bye.